Let's be real, your Mac's folder is probably a mess. We've all been there, spending way too much time manually renaming files one by one, just so we can actually find them later. But what if I told you that your Mac could actually read your files and rename them for you? Today, I'm showing you 2 ways to batch rename on Mac. The basic way and the AI way is a total game changer. Let's go. First, there's the built-in method, which you may already be familiar with. Press and hold Command+A to select all the files, then right-click and select Rename. Finder provides 3 basic options. The first is replacing text. Enter the string you want to replace, and the new string, then click Rename. This method works well if you only want to change item A to item B. Then there's Add Text. You can enter text and choose to add it to the before name or after name. The last option is Format. This lets you add numbers in a sequence. You can set the name format, starting numbers, and insertion position. And finally enter a custom format to batch rename files. It's fine for simple stuff, but here's the problem. Finder is dumb. It doesn't know what's inside the file. If you have 50 different receipts or photos, you still have to do the heavy lifting. This is where Tenorshare Cleamio comes in. This isn't just a renaming tool, it's an AI-powered assistant. Unlike Finder, Cleamio actually analyzes the content and type of your files to create clear, consistent names automatically. Check the free download link below to intel it. Let me show you how satisfying this is. First, open Cleamio and jump into the AI rename section. Just drag and drop that pile of messy files right here. Then hit this gear icon. This is where the magic happens. You can choose your output language, English, Japanese, Chinese, you name it. Next, you can customize the logic. Tell the AI how to combine the content, date, and file type. Watch this. I hit start, and the AI scans the files. It sees this photo is a red train. It generates these perfect names in seconds. If you don't like a specific name, just hit Regenerate. Once it looks good, click Confirm, and boom, your files are organized. It saves your brain. No more thinking of naming conventions. Let the AI do the logic for you. That's all. See you next video.